We can get the best indicator of e-waste from looking at the life cycle of electronics. Manufacturers produce electronics which are then distributed and sold worldwide. When someone, for instance, goes to buy a new phone, their old phone becomes e-waste when it is sent either to a landfill, an incinerator, exported, refurbished, or recycled. We can use this model of the life cycle of electronics to help us create a model that will show us how to get our indicator. When we take the sales data from imports, exports, manufactured goods, etc., and add in the product data, which is data compiled of electronics lifespan, materials used in production, etc., we get the amount of cells and e-waste generated per year and per country. This is our indicator. This is similar to how the EPA and other agencies get e-waste data as well. Using this model to tell us where we stand each year with our indicator, we can now set some targets for us to reach. Currently, e-waste recycling is estimated at 20% worldwide and 25% in the United States. In our pre-development phase, we plan to increase e-waste recycling to 35% worldwide by 2025. In our takeoff phase, through increased education, recycling services, etc., we will increase worldwide e-waste recycling to 50% by 2030. In the stabilization phase, by 2050, we plan to reach our goal of an 80% recycling rate worldwide.